Hey there! Wouldn't it be nice if you were well informed about the maintenance on your national roads? Sure, your government announces roadworks in the newspapers, radio, or on their website. But do you ever happen to read the announcements or really listen to them? Nope. The information is there, but it doesn't reach you at the right time. So there you are, stuck in traffic again. Wouldn't it be nice if there was an app that would have stopped you from getting stuck here? An app that would have given you a push alert or something on your mobile, informing you in time that there is maintenance on your going to work route. An app that would have let you share this info with friends and colleagues. An app that would have let you set up multiple routes that you use on a regular basis so that you could have chosen an alternative route or started by working at home. Wow! If there really was such an app, just by using it, you would contribute to less conjunctions and irritations, and ultimately, you'd even contribute to the sustainability of your economy. Well, there actually is such an app. It's called the From A to Better app, and we made it especially to give you and millions of motorists on the Dutch national roads the correct information at the right time, saving you time and money. Cool, huh? So for you, no more getting stuck in traffic due to roadworks. And I almost forgot to tell you, we also have the ability to give direct feedback on the data provided. And that's nice, because your feedback raises our levels of quality, and that will help others. So please, don't hold back. Give us feedback. Share your ideas, and give us your support.